Hello my fellow synthesists, and today we are looking at these. So what we've got here is a banana cable. These are made by Expert Sleepers. Some of you may have the 3.5mm version, mini jack version from Oz, and yeah, pretty standard 4mm banana connected to a piece of white cable. And what's special about it, if I plug that in, turn the light out, and with luck, I mean it hasn't been up for long, so there we go, they glow in the dark. Very nice indeed. Now what to say about them? It's a banana cable, you think. You will notice that cable's quite stiff, and I like it. It means it doesn't just drape down and sort of lose its shape. You can sort of move it around a bit, and it's doesn't sort of get all tangled up the way that some of the cheaper cables do. Now, a couple of things that I'm curious about is just to figure out how good they are. I was fortunate enough to look at some prototypes of this. These cables are exclusively distributed by Thonk, and Monobase, or Steve, or Muff Wigglers, as we all love him and know him, was kind enough to give me a couple of prototypes to play around with. Now, I have to say, what I do like is, if I can just zoom in a wee bit, get that in focus. The springs there within the plug itself are quite stiff. I make up some of my own cables using standard parts from Rapid here in the UK. Perfectly adequate, perfectly good, but the spring sections tend to be quite soft, so they slide in and out quite nicely. These, on the other hand, because they're stiff, have a very positive feel to them, going in and a little bit stiff coming out. They hold in place really well. Like it a lot. Okay, they're not Pomonas. I've got some Pomonas kicking around here somewhere. There we are. Find one. It's a Pomona. Cream of the bananas that I've found so far, but also probably about twice as expensive. Yeah, you get what you pay for. But in comparison to the ones I knock up myself, these are far superior. Now, I'm going to open this up because obviously the Rapid ones are screw terminal, and I'm curious to find out if these are the same as the prototype, so bear with me a second. Right, okay, I just went and got my trusty screwdriver, opened the cable retaining clip there, so let's push this through and see what we've got. And what we have, if you can see, is a soldered terminal. Nice big blob of solder on there. No flux residue at all. Very nice, very secure. I can't complain about that at all. Pretty sure these are Chinese made, if memory serves. Let me just put that back together again. Is there anything else to say here? No, but I think what I will do is do a resistance measurement next and see how they compare to a normal cable. Hang on. Get some focus here. Good. Right, one DVM set to 200 ohms. Two cables. Same length, give or take a few mil. And let's just get a measurement, shall we? Okay, so here we have one DVM and two cables. So expert sleepers and just a cheapy one, knocked up myself. In fact, so let's do a quick comparison. Cheap one, 0.1 ohms, yeah, 0.1 ohms, so hardly any resistance there. Let's do Aussie's one, and there we go, 0 ohms. Voltage drop is going to be potentially 0. If not that it really makes much difference, but I think what it does show is that the cables are good. Lights out again. Oh yes, that's nice.